Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm showing you how to use one of the most powerful and easy formulas in Excel, the IF formula. We'll use it to automatically decide whether a student has passed or failed based on their marks. Let's say you've got a list of student names in one column and their marks in another column. Now, in next column, we want Excel to say pass if the mark is above 33, and fail if it's 33 or below 33. Here's the magic formula. Equals IFD, 2 greater than 33, then pass, if not, then fail. Just type this in the first cell, press enter, and then drag it down. Boom. Excel instantly checks every student's mark and gives you pass or fail automatically. No need to calculate one by one anymore. You can even customize it. Write excellent instead of pass, or needs improvement instead of fail. Excel will handle it all for you. And that's how simple the IF formula is. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Excel hacks, and comment below which formula you want next. See you in the next one.